It's mother versus daughter. Boxycharm by Ipsy battle time. So if you want to vote on who's got the better box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit is trying to jump up on my lap, but he really wants to climb on this very unstable table, so kind of not letting him. But if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So we both get Boxycharm by Ipsy, and we like to do a little box battle. You ready? Mm-hmm. Now, there are some add-ons in yours. They're going to be sample size, okay. So you're going to pull those out at the end. The add-ons don't count towards our box. Rewrite the rules is the theme. I'll give you a sneak peek. She won't.
Which ones are the add-ons?
Here's the sneak peek. All right. This is by Galactic. Why don't you go ahead and take it out of the box. I'll tell them what it is. This is a $26 value. It is a exfoliator. It has avocado oil, cucumber, blueberry, and strawberry extracts, as well as strawberry seeds for exfoliation. And my first item, this is an item they chose for me, is by Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream with a price tag of $94. I've gotten this, I can't tell you how many times in the past. I typically give it away. Elemis is not a cruelty-free company, so I tend to not really use it. But we do have one product of theirs that I do use. Ooh. All right, what you got next?
I got this lip butter jelly from TYS Beauty.
That's a $20 value. It has shea butter and collagen. This is a female-founded brand.
That's pretty.
Do you want to show them the whole container?
Yeah, sure.
It is more of a nude. It's a lip butter jelly. Do you want to swatch a little bit on your hand so they can see?
Well then, should I keep it? I think so. Yeah. I'm going to keep this one.
Okay. This brand is cruelty-free.
Oh, here.
So as you can see, you can't see, but it's clear.
It's very sheer. Ooh, smell!
Mm.
I'm keeping this. Ooh, it feels so nice. Mmm. It's really good.
And then my second item that they chose for me is by Wander Beauty. It's their Trailblazer palette. This is Yes, $42 value. This is female founded and clean beauty. I believe they are also, yes, they are cruelty free. There's the Leaping Bunny. I'm going to open this up and give you guys a little look at it.
Yeah, I got one of them too. And I guess I will be giving it away because we don't need to.
So it's in this pretty pink packaging, and here are your colors.
Oh my god, yeah, my friends are going to
Now, Wander Beauty is they just have some lovely colors. I am going to do a little swatch for you. I'm going to start here and go down there.
Swatchaholic.
Mm-hmm.
It's like an uncontrollable urge you have.
There's the first 4 colors. All right, that color right there is pretty much the same as my skin tone.
Cool.
All right, there are the next 4. That's a real pretty pink right there. Oh, it's not looking as pink on the swatch. I'll try to get a better picture of it later on. And then the last 2 greens. Now there's some payout right there. So absolutely stunning palette. I like the pops of color. You know I'm not a neutral gal, but it does have some nice pops of color.
So I think I'm going to be giving these away too. They're these beautiful green brushes.
Those are by SL Miss Glam. And that's a $42 value. Can we at least show them?
I did. Oh.
No. So they have these gorgeous little gemstones on them. Look at how cute these are. And these would be face brushes. By Dew of the Gods, I have their Amalfi Gold Hair Serum. And this is all packaged up. This is a $30 value. It has olive and argan oils. Here is how this looks. There is a little dropper that goes with it. Now, this brand is vegan. They use pure ingredients. They are, I believe they're cruelty-free. There's nothing on here, but I believe they are. Yes, they are. And they are LGBTQ plus owned. All right, she's one ahead of me, so I'm going to pull out another item. And that is by Ace Beauté, and this is their Maximum Impact Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Stella Dusk. This is a $24 value. This is a Black-owned, female-founded, and cruelty-free brand.
Oh my God, that's pretty.
It's eyes, not lips.
I know,
Okay.
I know. We gotta keep that one though. I like it too much. We gotta keep it. Please.
Okay. Well, I just watched it, so.
Yeah.
All right. You want to show me your last item?
Yeah. So I got this Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blow Drop Serum.
That is a $32 value. It's female founded and cruelty free. It's a silicone free primer, which helps blur any fine lines, wrinkles, or appearances of pores. It also absorbs oil, so you're not going to have to worry about having oil on your face before you put your makeup on, which is going to obviously cause some
Isn't this for
problems.
old people?
No. It's a primer.
Oh, true. Should I keep it or give it away?
You should keep it. Because
Okay.
it's Glow Recipe and I love Glow Recipe.
Okay.
And my last item is by Avant, and this is their collagen, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera eye patches. This is a set of 3, and it retails for, are you sitting down, $75. Avant is a very, very expensive brand. So here is how they look. So when you are voting, it is just for what was in our box. We're going to go over our add-ons next. I added on some samples to her and some full size to mine.
Are you supposed to shake this or no?
I don't know. We'd have to look up the instructions.
It's like clumped together. Ooh. Okay. So I have this Tea Time Apple Matcha Clearing Toner.
And that's
really
by
cool.
Biro.
Mm-hmm.
And I know you liked their other toner, so I thought this would be
yeah.
fun to try.
Let me read. It looks so cool. Let me smell. Mmm.
I don't really smell anything. Except for the makeup wipe that I just put on my hand.
Oh, shoot.
What else you got?
Oh, I'm doing all mine?
Yeah.
So next I have this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. Is this mine or yours?
No, this is
Okay.
yours.
I also have this Peach Lip Mask by Bella Pierre.
And we won't open that because we already...
Yeah. And this Ofra Lip Gloss Blissful, which we opened in our other Ipsy video. Should I keep or give away the lip mask? Probably give away because I have a lot of them already.
Okay, well, I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
All right, and then mine are all full size. I don't know the retail price on all of these. Just this first one, which is by Gold Faden. Now, this little tiny Gold Faden Energetic Eye Cream, and this is part of their...
Oh, wait, I have one more.
Oh, she has one more.
I have this Maison
Maison.
Tuscan Fig Tonka.
oh sorry, this is by Maison Louis Marie. It has notes of Musée, Tuscan Fig, and Tonka. When I read the description, what it said was citrus, florals, coconut, and Tuscan Fig. That was the description, at least.
All right. Okay, I think that's it. Mmm. Oh my god, that smells so good on me.
Let me smell. Oh yeah, I smell the coconut in there.
Coconutty smells. And oh my god, that Little Mermaid perfume. Oh my god, it was so good. Anything that shifts to coconut smells good on me. I don't know why.
Okay. So by Goldfaden MD, I have their Plant Profusion Energetic Eye Cream. Now this $145 for this little tiny eye cream, right? That's not what I paid. I paid like 18, I think.
Phew.
Maybe 12. I'm not sure. This tiny little guy, this is a full size at, what's it say? How many ounces does it say? Can you see?
It's not ounces, it's 15 milliliters.
All right, 15 milliliters, $145.
Ooh.
That's just crazy. All righty, by Callie Ray. This is an awesome mascara, so I was so excited to see it. This is their Come Hell or High Water Tubing Mascara. I love this. I've gotten this in, I think, Test Tube Beauty and loved it. This is a $24 value. They are cruelty-free and vegan.
I can see your fingerprints on this.
I know. What do you want me to do about that?
Nothing. It was just...
Okay.
Are you giving it away or keeping it?
What? The
Yeah.
mascara?
Yeah.
I'm keeping it.
Okay, good.
I love it. It's one of my favorites.
Keep it.
By Rodial, I have their Hyaluronic Tan Serum. This has hyaluronic acid, natural DHA, and urethulose. It's a self-tanner, which is why I picked it. And Rodial is a cruelty-free brand. This is a $65 value. Let's take a look. I thought this might give me just a little bit of a summer glow. Here we go. And then for my points, I got one of the Galactic Superfood Sugar Face Scrubs. Now, I also boost my box. For the first time in probably a long time, I did not go with their choice. I chose something different. So this is a $70 value. It's a facial steamer. And I thought that Chloe would really like this. And it's really good for your pores to do a nice steaming. So
Because my skin can get like really, really dry in the winter. Extremely oily in the summer. And like actually, I don't even think I could say the joke I was going to say. Like the driest in the winter.
So there's how that looks.
It's like the Sahara Desert.
And I don't boost her box. So I feel like we're getting pretty much the same choices though.
Yeah.
So I do try to choose things that she would like more for her box and that I would like more for mine. All right. So let us know who had the better box. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully we'll see you soon.